Hey, Grandpa, this is a really unusual house.
Yeah, it is. Sort of gives me the creeps.
Yeah. Oh, this mirror is really old. I wonder what it
There's a lot of dust on it.
Yeah, it must be old.
What does that say over there?
It says the date is 1775. That's the year that the Salem witches escaped.
That's right. I wonder if there's any witches still living in here.
My spine's tingling. I'm
Mine
having a bad
too.
feeling.
Well, I think we better go to sleep now.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go before they may be here.
Yes, let's go.